Hello, you are welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk about the different ways to make money online and offline, the smart way. And by the way, my name still remains Lukman Jishegiri. Today, I want to quickly talk to my brother photographers because I'm a photographer myself. I consider myself as a photographer. I was a photojournalist for so many years before I decided to stay on my own to be a freelancer. And as the saying goes, that once a soldier is always a soldier, and once a photographer, once a journalist, you are always a journalist. So I consider myself as still a photographer. So today I want to talk to my fellow photographers how to make money online and offline, and not the traditional ways. Most of the photographers are used to making money in the traditional way. Is either they go to parties to snap picture, they own a photo studio and snap a picture. But there are so many ways, there are thousands and one ways to make money both online and offline. And today I just want to quickly introduce our brothers, my brothers in the industry, in the photography industry. I want to open their eyes to so many ways to make money. But I want to say this is not going to be this is just an introductory part to this making money with photography. Is an introduction. I'm still going to do a detailed way to a step-by-step guide on how to make money with photography, especially online. But today I just want to let us realize that photography is more than just taking your camera and just snapping anything that comes to your mind. The first thing that you want to as a photographer, the first thing that you want to really take care of is your equipment. Your camera comes first. I'm not saying you have to buy a Mark 4 or Mark D or a Nikon 7 or something that cost you like 1,700,000 or so. You can start with what you have, but you must have a camera that you understand. Most of our people, they buy cameras, but they don't understand their camera. They can buy camera as high as 500,000, but they don't understand how to use those cameras. There is a Bible in your camera. And what do I mean by a Bible? That's the manual. The first thing is for you to read this, to study the manual of your equipment or any equipment, your camera, flash or something. You have to understand, you have to study the manual. And in case your camera does not come with a manual, just go online. That is why Google is there. Go online, check for ways to use that your equipment, your camera, and the manual will teach you step by. You can even go to YouTube to go and watch videos on how to operate a so camera, and you really understand. So the first thing is to invest in a very good equipment. Once you invest in a very good equipment, then you are good to go. And after that, all you need to do is, if you need to retrain, you need to be retrained. I know some of us are trained, we are photographers, but we need to be retrained. By retraining, I mean you have to continually update your knowledge. Don't just depend on what you've learned from, let's say, 2, 3, 4 years ago. The photography space is changing, just like the world is changing. The photography space is changing. New things, new ideas are coming on every day. So continue to update your knowledge, and when you continue to update your knowledge, then you have so many ways that you can improve and make a lot of money. So how can you make money apart from the traditional offline method? You can make so many. You can go into photo agency, and photo agency means, but you have to do a lot of work because you take a lot of pictures, and by taking your pictures, you keep record of your pictures. Don't just snap and discard your picture. We are in the digital world. Once you snap, have a backup. You can buy a DVD. If you cannot buy external hard drive, just buy DVDs and record, and make sure you put all the pictures. Just save it somewhere, so that when anybody comes to you, they need a particular photo. And for your information, photography, everybody needs photography. The printers need photography, the banks, the agents, almost everybody needs photography. And once they come to you, they know you are a photo agency. They come to you asking for pictures, and you can't tell them, I don't have this picture. Even if you don't have, you have to source for it. That is what they call photo agency. And there are so many ways, there are a lot of money lying on the table if you go into photo agency. Then you can also go into freelancing for news media houses, and this go pari passu with agency. Most media houses, they don't have photographers, and some of them that have photojournalists don't have all the picture. Like for instance, something happened, I was in Badagry, somebody was in Lagos and called me that something happened, that I should help him to get the picture. I have to get the picture and charge him, and he paid me, and I gave him the picture. So that is freelance. You can freelance for news media. Then you can do consulting with your experience in photography. Some of us have been in this industry for so many years. Some of us have been in the industry for 20-30 years. So you have experience in consulting, then you can just develop yourself a bit. So once anybody comes who wants to start a photography business, then you can consult for them. You can even consult for big laboratories, color labs. Consult for them, then you talk to them, because they need somebody who understands the photographers. Then you can be a consultant, then you'll be offering those services. Then you can sell your photos online. This one is very massive and it's very easy. The funniest thing is, even those who are not photographers are making a lot of money from selling photos online. You sell your photos online on stock photography sites. You don't have to know how to snap picture. Once you have a very good, most people are using their phones, iPhones, good Androids. Once you know that, you can take very good pictures and you sell online. They can pay you from $5 to $10 to $50, and you make a lot of money. Then the number one that we all know is commercial photography. But for now, you know, there is a lockdown. Commercial photography is not really selling so much. But you have to understand the online aspect. Then there is the bridal photography. Bridal photography, this one is like, you are a normal photographer, but you are just trying to create a niche for yourself. All you are concerned about is you are a bridal photographer. And as a bridal photographer, there are monies to be made, because a lot of people are going to marriages. Those who are married, some are still aspiring to marry. A lot of people, once you position yourself as a bridal photographer, any would-be couple will gladly come to you. And this massive opportunity in bridal photography, from pre-wedding shots to their wedding shot. You do framing for them, and you continue to do and do. And there is opportunity in digital photography. They call it digital. I call it digital capturing. What do you call digital capturing? You can turn pictures into videos. You don't have to now start doing everything. All your own is just to snap the picture and you turn them into video. We'll come into that. And by the way, before I go, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing, because very soon, immediately after this video, I'm going to release another video talking about how to make money online as a photographer, and you make massive money. Oh, before I go, again, there is also a freelancing site that you can sell your services. Maybe I will discuss that immediately after this. I will include that in that video. You make money from freelancing site. What do you call freelancing site? When I release that video, I will try to tell you more about it. But don't miss anything. Don't miss this video. Just subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Press the subscribe button. There's a notification bell. Just press the notification bell, and subscribing is free. It's free. You don't have to pay any money. Just subscribe. Once you subscribe, so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and remember, we can all succeed together.